Fire in the hole! Let's cook some chicken wings! Stay tuned! Hello and welcome once again to my backyard barbecue grill. I'm happy today because I have some chicken wings. Chicken wings! The price on chicken wings has come down. Finally! It was really bad there for a while. I was paying like $11 for a pack of chicken wings, but it's down to like $6.50 a pack now. And I'm going to get my wings cut apart and get them in a bowl. And I don't usually show you guys this, but I'm showing it to you today because I wanted to show you my knife again. If you like my knife, my Nakano kitchen knife, and you want one just like it, and I'll tell you what, Christmas is coming. It's a great gift. Go down in the description, use the coupon code RootBoyCooks to get a discount. You won't regret it. Anyway, let me get my wings cut apart into flats and drums. You heard the good news about the price going down. Get between that joint there. It's a little hard. Anyway, yeah, let me get the wings cut apart and I'll show you how we prep up these wings and get them on the grill. And I got a very special sauce for today, so stay tuned. Okay, I got my wings cut apart. I don't usually show you that. I just wanted to show you my cool new knife. I got them cut into drums and flats. You don't have to do that. You can leave them together if you like. It's just personal preference. But what I always do is I always hit them with some Sang stir-fry oil because that's my binder. That helps me keep whatever seasoning I'm going to put on the rings on the wings. But this episode is not about the seasoning. It's not about the binder. It's about the sauce that we're going to put on these wings. Anyway, I got some salt, pepper, and garlic that I'm going to slather these wings up with real good. I'm going to get them in my Only Fire rotisserie basket. I like cooking chicken wings on the rotisserie best because I think they come out nice and crispy and delicious. Of course, you cook them any way you like. Some people like to fry them. Some people like to do all kinds of stuff to their wings. I'm just going to hit them with some SPG, get them a good coating of seasoning. You want to season your meat before you cook it. I think that's enough. Let me get those in the Only Fire rotisserie basket, get them spinning on the grill. Of course, that gives me an excuse to make a spinning meat video. And yeah, we'll get that going and I'll show you how that looks, and then we're going to talk about the sauce, so stay tuned. Okay, I got the wings on the grill spinning happily. I hope they're happy. I think they're happy. I know I'm happy. Anyway, they got to cook like that for about an hour till they get up to an internal temperature of about 170 degrees. I want them to be well cooked and falling off the bone. And when we get ready to sauce them, we're going to talk about the sauce now, so stay tuned. So while the wings are cooking, I want to show you this sauce, and I'm calling this the Holy Grail sauce. Let me get it where you can see it. This is the Uchukuta sauce, crema de rocoto, red hot chili sauce. This sauce is made from rocoto peppers, onions, olive oil. It also has this, see those little leaves? Those are, I'll read you the ingredients. I don't normally do this. Red hot chili peppers, onions, garlic, hocate leaves, coriander leaves, parsley leaves. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in it. This is the sauce that they have at a place that I go to in town called La Granja. La Granja is a Peruvian restaurant, and what they did was, you remember Kenny Rogers Roasters? They came in and bought up all the old Kenny Rogers Roasters and turned them into Peruvian restaurants specializing in rotisserie chicken. Because all the Kenny Rogers Roasters places had the rotisseries built in to the restaurant, and so it was natural for them to make rotisserie chicken restaurants out of the place. Oh, sorry, pardon me. Anyway, on every table at La Granja, they have a bottle of red sauce, white sauce, and green sauce. The red is this, uchucuta, and the white is a mayonnaise and garlic sauce, and the green is a cilantro and garlic sauce. Anyway, the other two sauces aren't hot, but this one is. This is made with rocoto peppers that you can't get in the United States. Crema de la rocoto. And the spiciness level is 3, which doesn't mean it's not overly spicy, but it is spicy. It is hot. Anyway, the way I found out about this is I was talking to a nice lady at the doggy park named Lisette. And Lisette, her husband is Peruvian. And to please her husband, of course, she learned to cook Peruvian food. So I asked her about La Granja. I said, what do you think of La Granja? She says, well, La Granja is like the Burger King of Peruvian food. It's like Peruvian fast food, and that's exactly what it is. It's cheap and good, and they give it to you fast and cheap. Anyway, I said, well, what about that red sauce they have on the table? She says, well, you can buy that. I said, what? She says, yeah, you can buy that at the meat market. They have in bags. See how it comes? It's not in a jar or a can. It's in a bag, which is what threw me off, why I could never find it before. All these years I've been looking for a jar or a can, and I didn't know the name of it. I didn't know what to ask for. But this is the stuff that that I always put on my chicken wings when I go to La Granja. I always order chicken wings. I always get plain chicken wings, and I sit at the table and I put this stuff on them. It's delicious. Let me tell you what. So when I found out I could buy it, I said, well, I'm going to make up a bunch of chicken wings, Lisette, and I'm going to credit you for helping me find my holy grail of chicken wing sauces. And this is it right here. Uchucuta. What about a word with 3 U's in it? U, 3 U's. Uchucuta. A Peruvian delicacy, rocoto peppers, red hot chili sauce. Let's get the wings cooked up. We'll get them in the bowl. I'll sauce them up. We'll drink a beer and take a taste, so stay tuned. The wings are done. Got them in the bowl. They look good enough to eat, as they are, and they probably are. But we're going to slather them with this uchucuta sauce. And there it is, the red uchucuta sauce. We're going to get that all over them wings. I bought more than I needed. I bought 2 bags of this stuff. But it's good stuff. It's good on chicken. It's good on everything. We're just going to toss them in that sauce and get them coated up with that. Oh man, my mouth is watering just thinking about this. It's going to be so good. Yes, let's get a little bit more of that on there. No, I think that's enough. Actually, that's enough of that sauce. I didn't hardly use any of it. I only cooked a few wings myself because I know nobody else in the family likes wings that hot. Anyway, that's the uchucuta sauce. And we're going to get that plated up. And I will get a beer and take a taste. So stay tuned. The wings are done and sauced. Let's get another one of Tango Joe's beers that he sent me from New York, 1903 New York lager, Frog Alley Brewing Company, handcrafted in New York, a lager, and it says on here that it is 5.5% alcohol. I tell you what, that beer I had last week from Tango Joe was so amazing. I don't think anything could live up to that Oktoberfest. Let's find out. I'm slurring my words. My mouth is full of saliva from trying this beer and those wings. All right, yeah, let's pour this out. A lager. Frog, what is this? Frog Alley. There's frogs in the alley, there's no doubt about that. I botched the pour, Tango Joe. I'm sorry. I got a little bit, no, it's not too bad. A little bit too much head. It's a beautiful, beautiful beer. Look at that, a lager. It's almost a dark amber. I can't explain. Let's sniff off of it, Rob. What do you think? Ah, it smells great. I can't believe this. Tango Joe, you're batting 1,000 with these beers. They're amazing. Handcrafted in New York. Frog Alley Brewing Company. I can't wait to quaff the froth off of that, Rob. Stand by. Yes, it's delicious. It's a lager. I like lagers. I prefer an IPA, but that's fine. It's a nice dark lager, and it's really good. Really, it's not as good as that Oktoberfest from last week, but it is outstanding. I gotta tell you. You know what? I can't wait to get one of these wings in my mouth. Let me turn the camera around and I'll take a taste. Stay tuned. Okay, my wings are done. I got them right here on a plate. How's that look? Not too shabby. Let me tell you what. I can't wait to get one of these in my mouth. I'm going to take it on a drum, I think. It's got that rocoto sauce all over it. It's perfectly cooked, smoked and roasted on the barbecue. You get that smoke flavor. I got to stop talking about it. Just eat it. Oh. I need a napkin. Wow. So there you go. Excellent. Let me tell you what. That sauce is spicy. Spicy and good. I don't want to stop eating it. It's so delicious. Let me tell you what. Those are some awesome wings. Tango Joe, you're batting 1,000. This beer is really good too. It's not as good as the Oktoberfest, but it's damn good. Thank you very much. I can't express my gratitude to you for supplying me with beer. It's good to have that beer after those spicy wings. Anyway, babies, that's my video. You know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard, it's over here. In the iCard you'll find my friend Rivet Gardner, my good buddy John. He's an excellent guy. He's hasn't made any videos in a long time, but he was making them. He was knocking them out pretty regularly there for a while, but not for a while. Anyway, pardon me. That's my video. These wings are everything I've ever wanted. My Holy Grail chicken wings. I can't wait to devour the rest of these. Anyway, we'll see you next week. Oh, that sauce. That sauce is divine. Let me tell you what. Anyway, we'll see you next week, babies. Bye.